So here we are then as souls, incarnate. And the notion of that, what's woven within that very statement, soul, is that we've had many past lives and we'll have future lives. That's a mysterious conversation all on its own. Really is.
It sure is.
It sure, yeah. Because if you were to meet your past life self, let's say, it would be like meeting somebody completely different. So it's interesting. You have to, the model I use is this. You and I are incarnate, and our soul, let's put it up here, just for a hierarchical perspective, has previous lives. So my soul's past incarnation, which I could call my past life. See that? So what happens, the reason I tell you this, okay, got it. Why are you telling me this? The reason I'm telling you this is this. Because the karma or the patterns and behaviors and attitudes and so forth that your past life self produced, some of them carry over to this life. Some of them are debts. Some of them are gifts. Some of them are patterns. See that? There's a continuum. It's very interesting. So on one hand, we're born from our mother and father. We have genetics. That's called I call that the world soul. You have a genetic root mat. But on the other hand, you have previous incarnations. So that's what's called the spirit soul. And the spirit soul and the world soul aren't strictly the same. In other words, my past life self probably didn't have this genetics. Every time it's different genetics. So you think, well, the genetics matter then, don't they? Yes, they do. But is that the end of the story? No. There's more. There's more than just your genetics, as influential as they are. So the idea is that souls incarnate, we're here to evolve. We're in the school of life. And this means, we have to learn, grow through lessons and tests. And just like you were saying, to become an elder, then you have to cultivate wisdom, skill, ability, mastery, responsibility, etc. All these things that we do, we almost take it for granted. But we can celebrate it on its own ground.